Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an account to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and log onto your QuickBooks account. Then on the left hand side, you want to click on menu so that toggles down. Then you want to highlight transactions and then click on chart of accounts. Once you've done so, on the right hand side, you want to click on new and then you want to enter the account name and then select the account type. So here's where you can actually select from all the default account types that QuickBooks already gives. And keep in mind that when you do start your own QuickBooks account, you are going to be given default accounts. You are going to be set up with different account types already within your chart of accounts. So once you go ahead and add an account, let's call this Wells Fargo, just go ahead and click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new account to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.